Hey Kyoko,
Hello.
let me show you an amazing trick.
Okay.
First of all, you can check everything. The arrow. No minute?
Oh, no.
Okay. And the template. You can touch. Okay. And the empty emerald. Empty. Now I will try to choose one dice as my position. Okay, now you can rotate the arrow. Thirteen. Would you like to change your mind?
Change. Okay.
4. Confirm? Yes?
Yes.
4, okay. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is 4.
Okay.
Okay. Open the arrow.
Wow.
This is my petition.
Wow.
Thank you.
It's amazing.